Hello children, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, welcome to online maths class my dear students. Okay, what did we learn in last class? Dear children, what did we learn in last class? Worksheet number 14, complex shapes. Okay, so last class we will learn worksheet number 14, symmetry, complex shapes. Okay, ma. Today we are going to discuss about rotational symmetry. Okay, rotational symmetry. So this is the one of the type of symmetry. Okay, ma. So now see the slide. So welcome to online maths class, my dear children. So today topic rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. So, what is mean by rotational symmetry? So, rotational symmetry, also known as a radial symmetry in biology. Okay, so is the property a shape has when it look as same after some rotation by a turn. So, okay, so it's a turn. An object's degree of rotational symmetry is the number of distinct area which is look exactly the same for each rotation. Okay, listen carefully. So, which looks exactly the same for each rotation. Okay, listen exactly. Exactly same for each rotation. So is the main word. Okay, so is the main keyword. Okay, so what is mean by rotational symmetry? So exactly same for each rotation. Okay, ma. So see some example. Okay, see that. So what is this, dear children? So what is this? So this is eye stick. Okay, so I turn the next side. Okay, so dear children, so looks exactly same for each rotation. So it is called a rotational symmetry. So I rotate other side. So I rotate next side and normal side. Okay. Okay, ma. So listen. So, what letters are rotational symmetry? You know already. So, the alphabets is Z, H, S, N and O have a rotational symmetry. Okay. See the board. So, what are the main letters? Rotational symmetry letters. Okay. Rotational symmetry letters. So what are the letters marked? So Z, H, S, N and O. Okay. So Z, H, okay, S, N, O, O. Okay. Z, H, S, N and O have rotational symmetry. Okay. So, what letters are rotational symmetry, ma? So, the alphabet is Z, H, S, N and O have rotational symmetry. Okay, once again, the alphabets Z, H, S, N and O have rotational symmetry. Okay, ma? You understand? So, see the board. So, rotational symmetry letters Z, H, S, N and O. Okay? You understand, ma? Okay. See the next slide. So, rotational symmetry. So, next one. So, rotational symmetry. So, for example, so name, shape, order of rotational symmetry and center of a rotation. Okay. For example, rhombus. You know the rhombus shape? Okay. So, see the board. Okay. So, this is a rhombus. Okay, ma. So, listen. So, order of rotational symmetry 2. Okay. So, order 2. Okay. So, for example, only. This is example. Okay, ma. So, and then center of rotation, intersection of diagonals. Okay. Okay. Listen. Intersections of diagonals. Okay, so see one example. So it's a rotational symmetry. It's the name rhombus. Okay, rhombus. So the shape. So this is the shape. So order of rotational symmetry 2. Okay, order of rotational symmetry 2. So center of rotation, intersection of diagonals. Okay, intersections of diagonals. Okay, see the next slide. So, next example. So, I draw one rectangle vertical shape. Okay. So, this is a original shape. Okay. Original shape. Okay, ma. So, next one 90 degree. Okay. So, this one 90 degree shape. Okay. So, next one original 180 degree. So, this picture original 180 degree. Okay, ma. So, next one 270 degree. So, this one 270. Okay. 270 degree. Okay. So the last picture, original, listen. So this is the last picture, 360 degree. 360. Okay. See the slide, ma. So what is the first picture? So this is the original shape. So for example, I have a one tester. Okay, so this is the original shape. Okay, so this is original shape. Okay, so 90 degree filter. So this is 90 degree and this is a 180 degree shape and this is rotate to 270 degree and this is 360 degree. Okay, you understand? Okay, so next one. So, a square has a rotational symmetry. You already know the square. Okay. Now, we draw one square. So, you want to draw one square shape now 4 centimeter. Okay. Then, side equal to 4 centimeter. S equal to 4 centimeter. So you have time for you. Okay, you have a time. So take a 5 seconds. Okay, dear children, draw fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is the center point. Okay, children, so this is the center point. So the smallest angle of your figure can be rotate and still look the same is called as the angle of rotation. So what is the meaning? So angle of rotation. Okay, ma. So the smallest angle a figure can be rotated. Okay, so can be rotated and still look the same So okay, this picture also look at the same. Okay, it's called at the angle of rotation. So what is the angle of rotation square? So it is 90 degree. Okay, so angle 90 degree. Okay, once again. So the square has rotational symmetry. You already know square has rotational symmetry. The smallest angle in figure can be rotated and still look the same as called the angle of symmetry. Okay, so next one. So what is the angle of rotation in the square? Student, tell the answer. So its the correct answer is 90 degree. Okay, ma? So see the next slide. Okay, dear children, you take a page number 90, worksheet number 15. Worksheet number 15, page number 19. Dear children, take a book fast. Page number 19. Okay, so rotational symmetry. Okay, listen. Dear children, listen. So, rotational symmetry. Rotation means turning around a central point. Okay, turning around a central point. Okay, so what is mean by rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry means turning around a central point. So for example, fan rotates. Okay, you know the fan. Okay, see fan rotates when an object is rotated upside down and still looks the same. Okay, so it is said to have a rotational symmetry. Okay, so rotation means turning around the central point. So for example, fan. Okay, so when an object is rotated upside down and still looks the same. Okay, so what is this? Dear children, what is this? Pencil. Okay, so I rotate pencil. Okay, so next side 270. Okay, 360. Okay, ma? So it's the original side 90 degree, 270, sorry 180, 270, 308, 60. Okay, you understand? So it's the same. So first one, the object has line symmetry no rotational symmetry. Okay, see the picture, ma. See the picture. So this is a no rotational symmetry. Okay. Okay, ma. So second one, the object has rotational symmetry. The object has rotational symmetry. Okay. So next picture. Okay, so this is the rotational symmetry. So its name A, B, C and D. Okay, so it is rotational symmetry. Okay, listen. So it's a rotational symmetry. So the object has both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. Okay, so next picture, so first, second one, only rotational symmetry. So last picture is a star. See there. Okay, so the object has both line symmetry. Okay, so this is a line symmetry also and rotational symmetry and rotational symmetry. Okay, so what is the first one? So the object has line symmetry. The object has line symmetry. First one, but no rotational symmetry. Okay, student, dear children, do you understand first one? So what is the first picture? So the object has line symmetry only, but no rotational symmetry. So second picture, the object has rotational symmetry, but no line symmetry. Okay, ma? So the last picture, the object has both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Okay, you understand? So first picture, see the board. Okay, so first picture, second and third. Okay, dear children, listen. So first one, line symmetry. Okay, line symmetry, no rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Okay. Second picture, the object has rotational symmetry. Okay. So this is rotational symmetry. So this is rotational symmetry, but no line symmetry. Okay, ma? Do you understand? So last picture, so this is line symmetry and rotational symmetry also. And this is rotational symmetry. Okay? Students, you understand? So, take the page number 19. Okay, ma? So, first one, so one of the boy picture. So, the object has line symmetry. So, the object has line symmetry but no rotational symmetry. Okay, so the second picture, rotational symmetry but no line symmetry. Second picture. So, third picture, so it's a line symmetry and rotational symmetry also. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Okay, children. So, last one. Okay. So, last picture. Children, listen. Okay, children, listen. Take the shades that have rotational symmetry and cross out the ones that do not. Okay, children? So listen, children, take a sharpened pencil, take a rough note and eraser also. First, we draw the pictures. Okay? First, we divide 6 parts. Okay, ma? Students, write fast. So, first picture. Okay? So, first picture, second picture, and third one. Okay, children? Children, you also draw. So, the nose. Okay, ma? So, last one, square. Okay, children, time for you. So, you have a 20 seconds time. Please draw these pictures. Okay, take a note and draw this picture. Okay, ma? So, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, children, you take a page number 90. Take a page number 90. So, take the shapes that have rotational symmetry. Okay, take the rotational symmetry. Okay, and cross out the ones that do not. Okay, so now shall we start, ma? Okay, so first one is rotational symmetry. Dear children, tell the answer. So first one is rotational symmetry or not? So it is not a rotational symmetry. Okay. So second one. So it is the correct answer. So this is rotational symmetry. Okay. So dear children, third one. So it is also wrong answer. Okay. Dear children. So fourth one is a rotational symmetry. Okay, so next one is a non-rotational symmetry. Dear children, write fast. So last one is a rotational symmetry. Okay, so dear children, write fast. So first one, wrong answer. It is not a rotational symmetry. So it is a line of symmetry only. Okay. So second one, rotational symmetry and line of symmetry also. Okay. So dear children, last C1. So it is a not rotational symmetry. So it's a line of symmetry only. Okay. So D. Question number D. So it's a rotational symmetry and line of symmetry. Okay. And question number E. It's only line of symmetry, not a rotational symmetry. So, last one, rotational symmetry. Okay, so it is a rotational symmetry. So, this is a not line of symmetry. Okay, so this is also line of symmetry. Okay, dear children, today topic rotational symmetry. So what is mean by rotational symmetry? Rotation means turning around the central point. Okay, turning around the central point. So for example, fan. Okay, so when the object is rotated upside down and still looks the same. So it said have to rotational symmetry. Okay, so first one, a boy. So the object has a line symmetry but no rotational symmetry. Okay, so second one, the object has rotational symmetry but no line symmetry. So third one, the object has both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Okay, ma? So last one, so pick the shapes that have a rotational symmetry. So first one, wrong. Second one is a rotational symmetry and third one, so it's a wrong. Okay, so fourth one rotational symmetry and fifth one is a not a rotational symmetry and sixth one is a rotational symmetry. Okay, children, do you understand this topic? So what is today topic? So today topic is rotational symmetry. Okay, children, so do you understand this topic? Okay, thank you, children. Take care. Bye.